morning coffee is a non-negotiable for me, but I make it the milky way. I would want to try making like authentic coffee. I also watched my favorite YouTubers video and I also just made like a to-do list. Hi guys, I am done with my morning coffee and I watched like a very fun YouTube video, but now it is time to make a coffee scrub, and it's basically like a body scrub. So since I was a kid, I've always seen like these YouTubers having these fancy scrub tubs, and I have always been like, you know what, I'll just DIY it. So I think directly after my childhood, today I'm gonna make like a coffee body scrub. To make this, all you need is any coffee, any oil and any form of sugar. The sugar I have used is very granulated, but I feel like you can use brown sugar. It will not be that harsh on your skin. The best way to exfoliate is just dry brush. This is literally so good for your skin, and you only have to like rub it in circular motions, and I feel like it's so much more affordable and it does make your skin feel very soft. I did let my scrub sit in for a while and then I just went in with my neck, my hands, and this will get very messy, so please make sure that you do it in like your bathroom or something like that. But trust me guys, I had baby soft skin after my shower. I'm back from my shower and I also went to offer prayers. So now it's time to moisturize my body because I completely forgot this step. So if you're using any scrub, it's obviously very crucial to like moisturize your body right after that. And since today's video is very fall coded, I feel like this moisturizer is the best fall coded moisturizer. It is by Plum. Again, I love it. I bought it like 2 years ago from the Nykaa sale and I love it. Like with the coffee, this is gonna smell perfect because like all the scents are gonna layer, like the coffee, the vanilla, the caramel. So imagine entering fall without a fall playlist, and this one's perfect. Stars shining bright above. After that, I also had a very super early yummy lunch and then I got ready for my day. Finally heading out, and I'm gonna wear these very basic baby pink kind of denim, cute fall brown color top. I got this from Hill Road and it was just for like rupees 300-400, and it's in this perfect like brown fall color. Okay guys, I'm all ready. My makeup and outfit is done, and now I'm going to talk to you all about something that is very crucial when it comes to fall, and that is fall fragrances. Like I take this very seriously, and honestly speaking, for the past 2 to 3 years, like it's been so hard to like find good vanilla or like sweet kind of warm fall fragrance products, and I feel like all of us are always on a hunt for it, right? These are my 2 go-to fragrances by Plum Body Loving. The first one is Smoking Vanilla. This is a perfect nighttime fragrance. It has sweet notes of vanilla mixed with amber and musk. The top notes are woody, the middle notes have vanilla, and the base notes have amber. Now my favorite is Plum Body Loving's Vanilla Caramello. This one will literally make you smell like a bakery. This has notes of vanilla, caramel and pistachio, which literally lasts for 12 hours a day. I love this one so much. This is the perfect fall fragrance. Before we start our day, I just quickly went to run a quick errand and I went to wax my underarms. I feel like I've wanted to go to a bookstore and read since last fall. Like I don't know why I could never make time to do that. And this time I'm only gonna practice reading and drinking a lot of coffee. I picked this new book by Tam Kaur. It says Buy Yourself the Damn Flowers. This book just talks about 10 different types of self-care, but it has nothing to do with like materialistic things. I feel like all the pointers were so well written and they were very accurate. I always love browsing, like wherever I go I love to just see things around, and these ceramic cups were literally my dream. They look so pretty. I also shared a story on my Instagram and you all asked for links, so I'll share links for these in the description below, but they were of such good quality and I might just get them now. After a mini coffee break, I also went to go grab some bread because my mom called me and asked me to do that. I usually prefer this bread brand that is called No Maida bread, but I couldn't find it today, so I just got this one. As I told you all, I love browsing and like just looking at different things everywhere, and I saw some like really good Jane dips, but my mom tells me that we can make fresher ones at home, so I don't get it. Another fall activity I really want to try is make like these very cute Pinterest coded pouches at home. Like I did that for my small business that I had, but this shop had such beautiful like pastel floral fabrics, and I was really wanting to make like a very cute pouch with these fabrics. By this time, guys, it was easily 11 p.m. and it was time for me to start baking. So I just put on my new apron and I was so excited to like wear it. I was showing it to my mom. And I don't know why somehow I always end up baking banana bread, but I really want to try making like coconut cookies next time. Everyone keeps asking me for my banana bread recipe, but it's just like a very random recipe. I don't have like fixed measurements for it, but yes, I can take you all through it. You basically just mash your bananas. Mine were not that ripe, but it's still fine. Add some milk and then also add a bit of yogurt to it. Stir it, and then after that, to which I also added some whole wheat atta. Like last time I also added a bit of bajra flour. It was very grainy and nice. I'm also adding some olive oil to it. I thought of just skipping butter this time. You need to add a lot of cinnamon, like this is very crucial. Now this sugar does look a lot, but my mom told me that it's not that sweet because it's some healthy sort of sugar, and I added a bit of vanilla essence and some more cinnamon, and then I also added some chocolate chunks. I feel like adding chocolate chunks gives it that perfect cake kind of a taste, and it also looks very pretty. I added some more flour, and to which I added some baking soda and some baking powder, and then I also added a pinch of salt to it. You guys, I was jamming so loudly on this playlist, and this was honestly literal therapy for me. Like some people keep telling me that Pinterest is so materialistic, but I also feel like it's sort of like a reality that you can live and just forget about all your worries and literally just enjoy baking at like 12 p.m. at night. I'm not a messy cooker, so I just washed all the vessels and kept them back in its place because my mom has a rule of keeping the kitchen sink very clean every night. In no time, it was 1 p.m. and I was so tired. But yes, today's day was kind of productive for me and I really enjoyed it as well. But I also feel like I wanted to get a haircut done, but my hairstylist was not in town and I cannot trust my hair with anyone. And maybe something that looks like this would look very cute.